Hello, freshmen, and happy Monday of week 2 in your world history class. Just wanted to do a quick video PlayPosit announcement to get you guys going for our Monday, kind of best practices to do in world history on Monday. So I'm just going to come into our world history class here in Blackboard. Okay. First place I'm going to start, you guys know, is announcements. Right. You want to start by reading the announcement for the week. It's right here. I'm not going to read it to you directly, but please make sure you read it. Announcements will usually tell you where we're headed for the week. The next place we're going to go is master schedule. The announcement will probably tell you how to get started on Monday and where we're headed for the week, but that master schedule is going to give you that weekly calendar. Again, this is a new class, so I'm releasing things weekly. Tasks that are in purple are assignments that you need to do. So you do have an assignment on Monday that is due on Monday and Tuesday as well. It's a commenting assignment on a Google Doc, so it starts on Monday and wraps up on Tuesday. Wednesday will be our live class day. During live class, we are going to have the parent signatures that I'll pass out, which will be due the following week. And we're going to do a little bit of work on note-taking in Newsela and what that is supposed to look like. You guys know what interactive notebooks look like from doing the first PlayPosit, but you will want to, for our future ones, we want to all be on the same page going forward. Other tasks that we'll do in live class is we're going to be working around this graphic organizer of thinking like a historian and what questions do we ask of the past. These questions are really going to frame almost our entire world history class as we start delving into the content in week 4. One thing that you want to have out while you're looking at the master schedule is your planner. You want to have your planner out, right? So that you can schedule out when you're going to be doing these tasks on Monday, Tuesday, during live class, and then how you're going to successfully finish out the week. So make sure you have your planner out right now. If you need to pause this PlayPosit and schedule out your time, or if you would like to do that afterwards, that's up to you, but make sure you got that planner out. The next place that you guys should check out maybe on Mondays is the current progress section. This is where you'll see if you missed something from the previous week. So here we have the assignments, the Flipgrids, assignments out from last week as well as this week are all laid out in this current progress section. If you see a 0.1 out of 4, that means that is missing from the previous week. So on Mondays, Mr. James is usually updating this. So sometime on Monday, you'll see if you miss something. You'll probably also hear from me if you miss something, like if you didn't get the PlayPosit interactive notebooks done, it just didn't get done. That will go in as a 0.1 to indicate that it is missing. Please, if you do submit an assignment that is in as a 0.1, please just shoot me an email, rjames@psdschools.org, to let me know that you got that submitted. That way we can update where you're at in your progress in the class. Keep in mind that this is a gradeless classroom, so all assignments and tasks and everything are out of 4. To indicate how far along you are in your progress on that particular assignment. We'll cover a little bit more about the gradeless policy in live class this week. Finally, define that first assignment that you're assigned, the thinking like a historian, or rather what questions we ask of the past. It's in Unit 1 here, okay, just like where all of our assignments are. And you'll see it's been built out. Assignment 1.1, what questions do we ask of the past? Click here for your directions and submit your, it's supposed to say your completed Google Doc once finished. You can open that assignment. Here it is. Here are the directions on how to make a copy of this worksheet. And then you share it back with R. James so that I have access to it. And then once you've done all the directions on here and completed it, you come back to Blackboard to where that actual assignment sheet is, or Dropbox rather. Open it up. Okay. And this has been shared with me, so then you just copy the link of your submission, come down to Write Submission, and paste it. It's Control V right into there. If you need to add any comments or anything like that, and then come down here and submit that assignment. That's pretty much it for getting started in week 2. I'm really excited about our content this week. We're kind of backing up. We're not covering historical content, but we're thinking about how we think as historians and what questions we ask. As well as in live class, we'll go over the gradeless policy and note-taking a little bit more. So we'll see you guys in live class this week. Have a strong start to your Monday and Tuesday so that you're super prepared for live class. You guys got this.